Good afternoon. Welcome back to another video. We've had about 10 centimeters of snow overnight and then probably another 5 centimeters of snow this morning. I'm gonna strap my snowshoes on. I'm gonna head out into the forest. We'll go find a spot and we'll get set up for a night of winter camping. Hope you're all doing well. Happy holidays, and let's get out. I need my snowshoes, I guess. You can see how deep some of these areas are. I'm breaking through because of the vegetation underneath. Some of it I'm getting not quite waist deep, but definitely above my knees. I think I found a spot, a little plateau, which will work for me. Okay. Okay. I think I found my spot. Whew, I need some water. I'm gonna go around, snowshoe on top of all this, get it packed down, which is actually gonna work well because of the temperature right now. It's actually gonna pack this down nicely. Hopefully I can get a level area to put the tent down. So that's the first step, and then we just go from there. These little quick clips just clips onto this peg. Already has the hole in it, clips onto there, and then all you do is when this is pegged down, these things are so simple. All you're doing is taking your string and you put a bit of tension on it like this, so you can snug this up, and then you give it one more wrap and the teeth in this little V section locks it into place. That's how quick and easy it is. These things are awesome. I've got a bunch of them. And so I'll get this fourth peg. I've got the other ones in, and I'll show you kind of how the setup is going. So the tent that I'm gonna be using tonight is Eureka El Capitan 2. The nice thing about this one is all of the door and window panels that have mesh, the mosquito netting, have a full zip-in panel, so you can seal it right up. Plus it has a couple of vents and everything else. So it's not classified as a 4-season winter tent, but you know, for the conditions that I'm gonna be in, this is gonna work just fine. Go. That's good. Now, I have 2 small water bottles in the bin, but I bring a thermos with some extra, and this way, hopefully in the thermos, it won't freeze overnight. Fuel, noodles, spork, jet boil, and some water. Let's have some dinner. Look at that, first shot. Oh, that's nice. Some nice hot noodles. I'm gonna, I brought a down jacket. I'm gonna throw that on because I do not want to catch a chill while I'm out here. Well, other than the snow on the top, this actually might be dry enough. Wow. Okay. Might be able to just snap those. There we go. See if these even light up. They might. See you guys tomorrow. Morning. Oh, the sun's coming out. Looks to be pretty nice. These are gonna be cold. We need coffee. Oh, the sun is bright. Oh, these boots are cold. Oh. Oh, these boots are freezing. Oh. There's quite a bit of condensation underneath here. All right, let's get my boots done up and then make some coffee. Sun's poking out. Look, can you see all the frost on the top of the tarp here? But there's none on the tent. A little bit on the side where it was coming in, but there we go. The sun's poking out over there. Oh, it's a gorgeous morning. I heard the coyotes last night. There's a field in behind me here. They were a ways away. I didn't record, but they were definitely out. I'm not sure what time it was. I do have gators, so these ones are just from, these are just real simple. They're not that expensive, but they come in handy. From MEC gators, and I might as well throw them on now because as soon as I take a step out there, it's deep. It's got the little strap underneath the heel, just Velcro, and like that, that's it. So then that way it keeps the snow out of my boots. I mean, I could just bring instant coffee, but I mean, I'm I'm a coffee drinker, so I'm pretty picky when it comes to my coffee. All right, let's get this going. Should have enough water here to do coffee and a bit of instant oatmeal. There we go. Go with some instant oatmeal. Yes. Going all out on my meals this time around. Instant noodles for dinner, instant oatmeal for breakfast. Let's keep the garbage. There we go. Cheers. I gotta walk around, get my feet warmed up. While my feet are warming up, got my bowl of instant oatmeal. Got some blueberries, add those. There we go. Breakfast when you're camping in the winter. Oh, that's nice and warm. Okay, I got everything packed up, ready to go. The sun is just, oh, it feels so nice. We go through for a little trek through the forest here. I want to show you a 2-second little hack for your gear. I don't need to wear my down jacket right now. I can probably just go with the fleece. I might throw my shell over. I don't even need a toque right now. That's how nice it is. So normally what I do with any of my jackets when I'm packing them up, just fold the arms in, fold the bottom, roll it up towards the hood, and then just stuff it into your hood. There we go. Into the gear bag, and done. Let's go. That's it, guys. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Subscribe if you haven't already. Give it a thumbs up. And that's it. I'll see you in the next adventure. Get outside. Enjoy life. It's too short.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.